uraza gusanga muri bino biganiro bitatu bitandukanye amagambo akurikira yibanzweho. Amagambo yibanzweho ni aya. Irya mbere, my name is, cyangwa I'm. Iyo ushatse uvuga izina gusa. Ikindi kibanzweho, nice to meet you. Nishimiye kumenya nawe. Ni kimwe na it's a pleasure to meet you. Nishimiye kumenya nawe. Mwahuriye ahantu nko kuri restaurant, uramubaza ngo do you come to this restaurant often? Iyo asubije mu byuko ko yavuze ngo I've been here a couple of times but I don't come on a regular basis. Nazaga hano inshuro nkeya sinza buri gihe. I don't need you uhakana. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Ni gihe ni biki umazemo iminsi? Iyo rero usubiza uravuga ngo same old ni bisanzwe, cyangwa the same as usual. Iyo rero umaze guhura n'umuntu, ayo niyo magambo y'ingenzi ushobora kumubaza. Twigeze no kureba igihe ubaza umuntu akazi. What do you do for a living? What ntabwo uvuga what, uvuga what do you do for a living? Niba uri umuganga, I'm a doctor, I'm a dentist, n'ibindi. Cyangwa se twabonye no kubaza umuntu filime yaje kureba, what movie did you come to see? Ayo ni amagambo y'ingenzi ngira ngo tuzirikane. Reka turebe icyongereza mvugo cyifashishijwe hano. Mu buzima busanzwe iyo tuganira, in our daily life, when we converse or when we talk, dukoresha indagihe isanzwe iyo twita mu cyongereza simple present. Iyo tuvuga simple present bivuze indagihe isanzwe, igihe ukora ibintu bisanzwe, ibintu bikorwa bisanzwe. Niho wagiye wumvamo babazaga ngo do you. Iyo umuntu yakoresheje gutyo abagira ngo umusubize iby'ubuzima busanzwe. Iyi verb yakoreshejwe yitwa to do. Ubushize nabigishije verb to be, iyo yitwa to do ikoreshwa iyo ubaza ubuzima bwa buri munsi. I do, you do, he does, she does, we do, you do, they do. Wahakana ukavuga uti I don't, you don't, he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't, we don't, you don't, they don't. Do I, do you? Reka nkubaze, do you come to this church often? Ese ukunze kuza kuri iri torero? Ngo uribuka ukuntu basubiza? Iyo hakanye uvuga I don't come sinza. I don't know simbizi. But I don't come, but bivuga ngo ariko. Ushobora kuvuga uti ndaza kenshi ariko si buri gihe. Dusoje isomo rijyanye n'iki? Nibyo wabaza umuntu muhuye.